Recording. So basically we are working on these angles 18 degree, 36 degree, 54 degree and 72 degree. Okay. Now first of all you need to by heart this. Sine 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4 and cos 18 is equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. So this particular thing you need to by heart. Okay. Then cos 18 root 5 plus 1 upon 4 cos 36, sorry, it's the conjugate of sine 18, cos 36 and sine 36, 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4, 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Yeah, so my first instruction to all of you is you need to by heart this. Okay. Now they may ask you to prove this. They may ask you to prove this. As some people are concerned, I am just showing the proof. Okay. So first we are going to prove this part, this particular part, 18 degrees. Okay. Let A is equal to 18 degrees, multiply by 5. Now this you need to remember because 18 into 5 is 90. That number is very important. 90 degrees. 5A is 3A plus 2A. Take the bigger angle on the right hand side. 90 minus 3. 90 minus 3A. Okay. Now take sine on both the sides. Sine 2A is equal to sine 90 minus 3A. Now 90 is over here, minus is over here. So what is sine 90 minus 3A? What will be this? Come on, tell me. What will be this? Cos 3A. Okay. Sine 90 minus 3 will be cos 3A. So sine 2A is equal to cos 3A. Apply the formula. 2 sin A cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Half angle on the left hand side, triple angle on the right hand side. Something is common in the right hand side, cos A. Okay. So 4 cos square A minus 1. Cos A and cos A is gone. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, sorry. Okay. So 2 sin A. Convert this to sine. Okay. 2 sin A. 4 minus 4 sin square A minus 3. 2 sin A. 1 minus sin square A. Now this is quadratic. This is quadratic. Take all the terms on the left hand side. Take all the terms on the left hand side. So it will be 4 sin square A plus 2 sin A minus 1. 4 sin square A plus 2 sin A minus 1 equal to 0. So what is sin A minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Formula method. Okay. because we cannot factorize this. Can we factorize this? No. Using the splitting method, we cannot factorize. So minus b is 2. So minus b is minus 2. 2 square, which is 4. 4 AC. A is 4 and C is 1 upon 2A. Okay. Right. So this is going to be 4 plus 16. That is 20. So minus 2 plus 20. Plus minus 20. Root 20. Upon 2 4s are 8. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 upon 8. Take 2 common. So this is going to be minus 1 plus or minus root 5 upon 4. Okay, now there are two values over here. The first value, root minus 1 plus root 5 upon 4. Guys, is this positive value? Is this positive value? Root 5 is greater than 1. So this is a positive value. And minus 1 minus root 5 upon 4. This is a negative value. So we'll discard the negative value. We'll discard the negative value. Can someone tell me why? Why should we discard the negative value? Because 18 degree lies in first quadrant, hence the positive value. Got the point, everyone? So that's how we prove sine 18. That's how we prove sine 18. Now cos 18. Cos 18. Okay. So cos square 18 is equal to 1 minus sine square 18. Fundamental identity. Root of 1 minus sine square 18. So 1 minus sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Root 5 minus 1 upon 4 the whole square. Okay. Right. So 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. Take LCM. Root of 4 minus 6. This minus into this minus is plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Okay. Right. I think this should be 16, not 4. Sorry. This should be 16. Okay. We took 4 square. Na? Here we squared a minus b the whole square. So this also has to be squared. Sorry for this. Okay. So 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 16. This is going to be 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 16. Now denominator you take the root now. 16 root is 4. Okay. Right. One second. I just made a small error. This should be plus. Okay. And this is minus. Make this change. By mistake, I wrote this as minus earlier. So this is plus. For 18, cos 18 it is plus, and for sin 36 it is minus. Okay. Guys, did you understand this? Okay. This is how we prove sin 18 and cos 18. Okay. Now see 36 degrees. 36 degrees. Let A is equal to 36 degrees. Multiply by 5. 5 into 36 is 180. 90 was earlier, now it is 180. 3a plus 2a is equal to 180. Take the greater angle on the right hand side. Sine on both the sides. Sine on both the sides. Okay. 2 sine a cos a. Sine 180 minus 3a. What is sine 180 minus 3a? As per all silver teacups. Sine 180 minus 3a. Sine 3a. Sine 3. Okay. Put the formula of sine 3a. 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Yes. Anything wrong? Correct, correct. Yeah, you're seeing the formula. Correct. Now, what should be done on the right hand side? Anyone? What should be done on the right hand side? Take sine A common. Correct. Good. 2 sine A cos A. Take sine A common. 3 minus 4 sine square A. 3 minus 4 sine square A. I took sine A common. 2 sine A cos A. So I'm cancelling sine A on both the sides. I'm cancelling sine A on both the sides. Okay. So 2 cos A is equal to 3 minus 4 sine square A. Now this sine square A, you'll write it as 1 minus cos square A. You'll write it as 1 minus cos square A. So 2 cos A, 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square A. 2 cos A minus 1 plus 4 cos square A. So quadratic 4 cos square A minus 2 cos A minus 1. So we'll get two different values of cos A. And remember A is 36 in this problem. Previous part A was this was sine A, na? So previous part A was 18. This part A is 36. Okay. Now once you solve this, cos A will give you two values. This is solved by formula method. Okay. Now I'm not putting my hands into that. So this will be root 5 plus 1 upon 4. And there will be one more value which is negative. So what will you do? Will you consider the negative value? Yes or no? No. You'll get something like this. See, I'll tell you. Minus root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. So this is positive value because root 5 is greater than 1. This is negative value. So we'll discard the negative value. You're going to discard this. So cos A is this, which we have written at the beginning. And A is 36. A is 36. Okay. Now sine 36 calculation is 1 minus that thing which we did in the previous problem as well. Like this. Instead of 18, it will be 36. So that you manage it on your own. Okay. Fine. Now 54 and 72. 54 and 72. Okay. Now if they are asking you sine 54 cos 54, okay, if they are asking you this, 54 is the double of 18. So if they are asking you the proof of sine 54 cos 54, first complete sine 18 and cos 18. You should write those proofs. So for 54, they might not ask on the, safer side. I'm just telling you. If they're asking you the proof of 54, okay. One second. If they're asking you proof of 54, go ahead with 36. Sorry, my bad. Because I'll tell you why. 54 plus 36. 54 plus 36 is how much? 90. Okay. So if they're asking you the proof of, if they're asking you the proof of 54, sine 54 cos 54, first you have to find out sine 36 and cos 36. Okay. Is the point clear? Okay. So step one, find sine 36 cos 36 or cos 36 sine 36, whatever you get first. Okay. Step two, sine 54. Now sine 54 is what? 90 minus 36. 54 is 90 minus 36. And sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 36, and cos 36 value we have got over here. You can put it over here. Root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. Directly don't do step 2. They will expect you to solve this proof first. Okay. Guys, am I making my point very clear over here? Yes or no? Then cos 54. 90 minus 36. 54 is 90 minus 36, and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Sine 36, and this value you'll get it over here. Okay. Root of 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. Okay. Similarly, we'll calculate sine 72 and cos 72. Now 72 plus 18. 72 plus 18 is equal to 90. 72 plus 18 is equal to 90. Okay. So step number one in this proofs, calculate sine 18 and cos 18. And that I've already taught you. Step 2, sine 72 is equal to sine 90 minus 18, because 90 minus 18 is 72. What about this, guys? Can someone tell? What is sine 90 minus 18? Cos 18. And this value you have calculated in the first part. Root 5 minus 1 upon 4. And then cos 18 is cos 90 minus 72. Cos 90 minus 72 is what? One second. Sorry, a bit exhausted. Cos 72 is sine 90 minus 18. Okay, sorry. So this will be sine 90, sine 18. And this value you have calculated over here. And you also know the value. So these are the basic values. These are the basic values and the basic proofs which will be required for 54 and 72 as well. Okay. Now some problems which are there in the worksheet. Okay, that will happen very quickly. Don't worry. So question number 31, sub question 1. Cos square 36 plus sine square 18. Okay, now you know the values. Root 5 plus 1 upon 4, root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Because this four values you have to buy out for the exam. Huh? This you have to buy out these values for the exam. Proofs I have taught you for the safer side, but in values you should know. Okay, yeah. So this is self-study because you don't require my help over here. Okay, direct value substitution. Second one, this is an exercise 2, 31 sub question 2. 3 cos 72 minus 4 sin cube 18. Now the hint is 72 plus 18 is equal to 90. So what I will do is cos 72, cos 90 minus 72. Sorry, cos 90 minus 18, cos 90 minus 18 is sin 18, complementary angle. Now you can put the values. Okay, or rather, this is something like 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, which is equal to sin 3x. So sin 3 into 18. Sin 3 into 18 is sin 54. Sin 54, 90 minus 36. 54 is 90 minus 36. So this is equal to cos 36, and cos 36 value you know. Guys, are you understanding this? Just give me a feedback. Yes, everyone, please. Third one. Okay. Cos square 48 minus sin square 12. We have this formula cos square x minus sin square y. So this is equal to cos x plus y into cos x minus y. Okay. So this is x and this is y. So cos x plus y, 48 plus 12, that is 60, into cos x minus y, cos 36, half into cos 36 value you know, root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, that you can put. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, fourth one. Acha, one more formula is there. Sin square x minus sin square y. This is equal to sin x plus y. Just revising, sin x minus y. Okay. Yeah, this we have done in class also during the time of regular sessions. Fourth one, sec 72 minus sec 36. 1 upon cos 72, 1 upon cos 36. Clear? Now cos 72, okay, is equal to cos 90 minus 18, which is equal to sin 18. So this is equal to sin 18. Okay. Cos 36 value we have directly. Okay. We have this value. So only value that we are changing is this. Okay. This got changed. But in cos 36 will remain as it is. Now sin 18. Sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. So 1 upon sine 18 will be 4 upon root 5 minus 1. Okay. Minus cos 36. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 upon 4. So 1 upon cos 36 will be the reciprocal of this. 4 upon root 5 plus 1. Now you simplify this, you'll get the answer. Simplify this, you'll get the answer. Okay. Fifth one. Fifth one. Sine square 24 minus sine square 6. Okay. Sine square x minus sine square y. Sine square x minus sine square y. Which is equal to sine x plus y sine x minus y. Okay. So this is equal to sine 24 plus 6 sine 24 minus 6. Okay. So this is sine 30 and sine 18. Sine 30 is half. Sine 18 is this. Okay. So this 4 to the 8. That's it. One last question. Sub question 6. Okay. Sine square pi by 5. Sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay. So this will be squares pi upon 5. 180 by 5. 36. And this will be 2 into 180 by 5. So 2 into 36. 72. Now sine 36 we have the direct value. Sine 36. Okay. 72. Sine 72 we need to calculate. 90 minus 18 cos 18. Okay. So sine 36 direct value you can put, but then this will be cos 18. Okay. So take the common square. So sine 36. Sine 36 is what? Root of 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. And this is root of 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. So the root and square will go and down 4 square for both. Okay. So 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 16 into 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 16. Because we have squared. So this is 256 and this will be a minus b into a plus b. So it is a square minus b square. So the square of this will be, anyone? What is the square of this? How to? 20. Correct, correct. Good. Good. 80 upon 256. Okay. So reduce this, you'll get your answer. That is the end of this particular session. Thank you.